Guys, today I got the Mi 11 Lite and this is the Flipkart box. Now today in this video let's do a quick unboxing of this Mi 11 Lite. So first let me open this box. So guys, this is the box of this Mi 11 Lite. Now let's quickly open the box. So I have opened the box. Now let's see what we get in the box. So in the box you get this many things: a USB A to USB C cable for charging and data transfer, 33 watt power adapter for charging, a TPU silicon case and the mobile itself. Then you get a USB type C to 3.5mm headphone jack and a SIM ejector pin. So these many things you get inside the box. Apart from that, you don't get any other accessory inside the box. And with the cover also it feels slimmer, guys. Honestly, this feels really lightweight and slimmer in hand. So you get a pre-applied screen protector. Now at the right side we have the fingerprint scanner and the power button with volume rockers. At the down we have a bottom firing speaker with the USB-C port for charging, the primary microphone and the SIM tray. So guys, as you can see, this is a hybrid SIM slot. So guys, my device setup has been completed now. Now let's talk about the build quality. So in terms of build quality, at the front and back both you get glass panels, and both are protected by Gorilla Glass 5, and the frame is plastic. The device feels premium and gives a very good in-hand experience. Once you hold this device in your hand, definitely you will feel that. So in terms of build quality, this device is very good and you will have no issues with the build quality. Now after that, let's talk about the display quality of this Mi 11 Lite, guys. And I would say the display quality is fantastic. The colors are accurate and the blacks are deeper. So guys, this Mi 11 Lite comes with a 6.5mm Super AMOLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate, and this is a 10-bit display, which means you will get more punchier colors compared to a 8-bit AMOLED display. And this device is the first device to come with a 10-bit display in this price segment. So in terms of display quality also, this is very good. The 90Hz refresh rate is really good, and that you will notice when you are scrolling through the contents like in Facebook or Insta or in Twitter. So that 90Hz give you that smooth scrolling experience throughout the system. So in terms of display quality also, this device is really good, and the 10-bit with 90Hz refresh rate works very well for this device. And this display has a peak brightness of 500 nits, and when you are consuming the HDR contents, that time the peak brightness can go up to 800 nits. And in terms of the brightness, it is really brighter, and under direct sunlight also the contents are visible properly. And in terms of display, it is really good. Now after that, let's talk about the speaker. Guys, the Mi 11 Lite comes with a stereo speaker setup. One you get integrated with the earpiece itself and a bottom firing speaker. The speakers are loud and clearer. Now for example, let me play a sample music, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about the sound quality of this mobile. After that, in terms of storage, this is the 6GB of RAM and the 128GB of internal storage variant, guys. And the storage is a UFS 2.2 storage, and here we get the LPDDR4X RAM. So in terms of app opening, app loading, app closing, everything will be faster compared to any other older UFS storages. So that is the benefit you are getting for this Mi 11 Lite in terms of storage and RAM. After that, we are getting a Snapdragon 732G processor in this device. This is based on the 8nm technology, which means the device will be more power efficient. I did a little bit of gaming of Call of Duty, and I played a little bit of Subway Surfer, then Leo's Fortune. All the games were running fine without any issues, and I was able to play without much frame drops or lag. So you can do gaming on this. Even you can play the PUBG mobile or the BGMI when it comes to India without any issue. I run the Antutu benchmark. Also, I run the Geekbench 5. So let's have a look at the scores. if you see, in the single core we got 564, and in the multi-core we got 1700 almost, which is a very good score in my opinion, considering the processor and the price of this device, guys. Let's have a look at the Antutu score. Now in the Antutu, guys, if you see, this device scored almost 3,26,000. I would say it is decent enough to handle your day-to-day tasks. So this is a ideal mid-ranger processor, I would say. In terms of your day-to-day usage and day-to-day task, you will not have much issues. Now apart from that, an additional feature is included for this Mi 11 Lite, which is the liquid cooling technology, which will help you to dissipate the heat of this device, and it will try to keep your processor in its optimal temperature, so that your device does not heat up much when you are doing a heavy task. So in terms of performance, by considering the price and the processor, a huge thumbs up from my side, and definitely, guys, this will be a very good device for your day-to-day usage. Now next, let's talk about the camera setup of this Mi 11 Lite. And in this device we are getting a triple camera setup, a 64 megapixel Samsung sensor with a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel telemacro camera. So in terms of the rear camera performance, guys, I am really happy with the picture quality of this camera, and I have taken photos using this rear camera today, and all the picture came out of these cameras are really good, and it is able to maintain the natural color and the detailing properly. Even the dynamic range of this camera is good. And in the front you are getting a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and I would say the selfie camera is good. It retains the natural color, and also it is able to capture the details properly. Even the dynamic range is good. So in terms of camera also this is good. And in terms of video, using the primary camera, you can shoot videos up to 4K at 30 fps, and in the front camera you can shoot full HD videos. This camera does not have OIS. This Mi 11 Lite has EIS, which is the electronic image stabilization, and the stabilization is average, I would say. And when you are shooting videos, sometimes the videos comes little bit shaky when you are shooting in 4K. Even night time, in low light scenarios, the photos are coming good. Now after that, let's talk about the battery and the charging. Now guys, in the box you are getting a 33 watt power adapter with a USB A to USB C charging cable, and inside the mobile you are getting a 4250 mAh battery, which is decent enough, I would say. And considering the form factor of this device, the battery capacity is really good, and this battery will definitely give you a full day of usage with a single charge. So if you are a light user or moderate user, then definitely it will give you a complete full day of usage. If you are a sort of heavy user, you might have to charge this for second time in a single day. So in terms of battery, I would say this is quite average, and don't expect much battery life. In this device we are not getting a 3.5 headphone jack, which is a downside of this device. But in the box they are providing this USB type C to 3.5 headphone jack, which will be good enough for your gameplay and your music listening experience. Now in terms of network and cellular connectivity, carrier aggregation support is there for this device, and I have seen, and I am using this device with my Jio SIM, and the network reception and the call quality are fine. So in terms of network and cellular connectivity is also very good, and even you see the network strength indoors are really good. So now if I go to setting and go to about phone, guys, you can see currently I am running on the MIUI 12.0.3. Sad that this device did not come with the MIUI 12.5. And this is based on the Android 11. So this device is based on the Android 11, and the security patch level is of March security patch. So almost this MIUI is good, and here I am not seeing any ads. So that's it, guys, for today's video regarding this Mi 11 Lite unboxing and first impression. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then give a like. Also, if you are new to the channel and watching this video, and if you have not subscribed, then hit the subscribe button below. And guys, it's a humble request, whoever is watching, please hit the subscribe button and help me reaching to 1000 subscriber, guys. If you have any sort of question or doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want any specific video on any specific topic,
Let me know in the comment section below, and based on the comment I will try to make a video. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.